All IP interfaces defined on a ProCurve switch CL are members of OSPF area. Option E. What does this indicate? Option A. Area 5 is a transit area. Option B. The 5406ZL is an internal router. Option C. Area 5 is a not-so-stubby area, in SSA. Option D. The 5406ZL cannot be elected designated router. The correct answer is option B. The output of Show IP OSPF link state on a ProCurve switch shows that the AJO phone network link state advertisement, LSA, is. How will this affect the router's behavior? Option A. The router will request a new LSA from the neighbor that sent it. Option B. The router will ignore all LSAs from the neighbor until they are refreshed. Option C. The router will ignore the advertisement when running its shortest path first, SPF, algorithm. Option D. The router will place the advertised route in its IP route table if it has not learned another route to the same network. The correct answer is option C. By default, how will a ProCurve switch CL select its OSPF router ID if the ID is not configured by the administrator? Select 2. Option A. The default VLAN IP address becomes the router ID. Option B. The lowest IP address assigned to a no SPF interface becomes the router ID. Option C. The highest IP address assigned to a no SPF interface becomes the router ID. Option D. The lowest IP address on the lowest numbered loopback interface becomes the router ID. Option E. The highest IP address on the highest numbered loopback interface becomes the router ID. The correct answer is option B, D. Which protocol for default gateway redundancy is supported by the ProVision ASIC switches? Option A. XRRP. Option B. VRRP. Option C. HSRP. Option D. FSRP. The correct answer is option B,